Yeah, great performance by the team. I think everyone kept going towards the end. 90 minutes we didn't stop, and I think we played great. Outplayed them in most parts of the park, and I feel we deserved the goal. Yeah, very. Always good to get a goal, especially in the Youth Cup, and the only one to allow us to go through to the next round. Yeah, it's a great opportunity. I feel, especially this year, a lot of young players have got great opportunities, especially me going on tour. I thought that was a great opportunity just to see what the first team's like and hopefully get there in a few months, maybe a year. Yeah, it's great just to keep everyone going. I think everyone's very close this year. No one really gets onto each other. Very tight as a team, which shows the wins that we're getting.